Guys, I am like so annoyed on Zinzin Wang's behalf. Like, she gets the worst. It's so cringe too. She gets like the worst people messaging her on TikTok and just like the worst comments. And it's so cringe. Like, I don't understand how people can be so rude, misogynistic, and just like idiotic. But it's so bad. I responded to a few of them, even though I probably shouldn't, to be honest. But like, dude, it's so fucking bad, dude. People are such assholes. Early posture check? Okay. They're such jackasses, dude. And it bothers me too, because it's like, how do you let people enjoy something, dude? Like, how do you just not let people like want to do what they're doing, dude? It's so pathetic, bro. Unfortunately, that's just how dudes are to women. And it's just, I don't know if men, like, some men just missed the fucking memo. And I don't know who's teaching them these things, but it's like, being mean to girls maybe only works when you're 5. You know, when you don't have, like, developed social skills to talk to women and stuff, like, or talk to the people that you like. Even if it's not girls, but, like, whatever gender you're into. Like, it's just, I don't get it, dude. Kindergarten style, the dentist method. What's the dentist method? That sounds weird. Okay, also, don't hate me. I did this for a photo before. But I was like, matcha switches plus coffee chip. It's matcha coffee. So I did this for a picture before. So I mixed some switches up. But we're just going to be... I was too lazy to separate them afterwards. So they're all lubed in here. So I'm just going to grab the matcha ones. But I mean, chat. That's not a bad idea for a picture though, right? That was pretty funny though. I thought it was pretty good. Also, stranger, I know you're pumped up for today, but we have a bunch of different O-rings we could use today. The light one, the heavy one, and then I also have one from the Bakaneko, which is like super light. So I don't know which one you wanted to go with today. I recommend this one. I think this is the middle one. I think. I'd recommend this one though. I personally prefer this color. But I think my second choice would be the pink. The really, really light one. Omar with the compliment. Omar, even if you were as laggy as my internet, I'd still love you. All right? Hopefully you're having a great day today. Love you, dude. And I hope that the rest of this beautiful Sunday goes extremely well. I really like the white sequins. It's very pretty. Love the sequence content. I know a lot of people do. Maple Cheerios? Can't say I've had maple Cheerios. Hands down though, dude. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is fire, dude. It is actually too good, dude. Alex, I want so bad your blue keyboard. You bet I didn't. They're the ones from D's Nuts. They are new. I redeemed a posture check. Oh, I got you, dude. Wasn't looking. Caught me slacking. These aren't latte switches. They're matcha switches. So nice. Hi, Marcus. What is this? Oh my god. Not the Final Fantasy 14 advertisement. Mark, why do you send me these things, dude? I'm not playing the game. Thanks, Mark. I appreciate it. If there's anything I don't want to do is start another MMO. You know how much time I will be sinking into a new MMO? I don't want to play that game right now, dude. That is a dangerous fine line between addiction. Just be an MMO streamer, my dude. You're gonna 3 times your subs in a month? Dude, I don't think I would have the patience to. Because then, you know what happens? I don't want to read chat then. I just want to, like, play the damn game. And I know I wouldn't be fun. I know I wouldn't be, dude. That's too much to ask for me, unfortunately. Alright, let's put these back in your box. Alright, I'm gonna put our O-ring on. Because we're gonna seek this all together. My endgame keyb is caseless, plateless, PCB-less, switchless, and keycapless. Bro, your wallet's gonna love you. Your wallet's gonna be like, oh, Pog, bro. Alex, did you see Keychron Q85? There's another Keychron. Wait, what's that gonna be? Is that gonna be a full one? Didn't they already do like every size under the moon so far? Didn't they do that for every single keyboard so far? Keychron's really tough to keep up with, dude. They release so many things. Do you not have to fill the spacebar with pillar fill? No. You don't have... I mean, I've never done that. Are you talking about like the bottom side of the spacebar with polyfill? I've personally never done that. So I'm unsure of how that will turn out. But yeah, personally have never done that. How much more give does the sequence have versus the Bakaneko? It's about the same. Like, it's truthfully about the same. Not that much of a difference. Are Gatoron Oil Kings good enough to be used stock? I used them stock for something and they sounded just fine. So I would say that, like, if you want to, stock should be just fine. What's going on with these stabs? Oil Kings, stock aren't bad. Yeah, they're not too bad, to be honest. They're okay. They're nothing special. I wonder if this O-ring is causing some different sound signature here with this. If so, we're going to try something. Let me take off the O-ring here for a second. Go wob. I'm gonna try a different spacebar because this one here seems a little bit weird. Should be okay. My pen has some spring ping and I'm planning on looping it. Dude, that'd be actually pretty funny. Yeah, like... Okay, I'm gonna look into this for you, stranger, and see... Did you call my spacebar weird? No. It's a little weird, but we'll see why this is a bit kind of like not as crisp on the sides. I have a feeling it's just probably bent. This happens sometimes too where it gets a little bit twisted like this. So I'm going to double check all this stuff later, and it looks like that's causing the spacebar to kind of be weird. But we'll see. We'll take a look at it. Maybe try a different switch. I don't think a switch will be the difference. Maybe it could be the difference with this. Maybe that spacebar. Oh wait, put the O-ring back on. Oh, let's actually try with this O-ring. Don't get it twisted, dude. That's what. Doesn't XQC say that? Don't get it twisted. I'm getting twisted right now. Gotta take a nap. See you next stream. Take care, dude. Have a good one. And Alex, I trust. Thank you, thank you. Okay, we're gonna just swap out the PBT spacebar for now until I can get whatever issue is causing this PBT spacebar to have like a weird sound on bottom out. Ooh. Ooh.
Dude, that's a lot of gifted subs.
That enter is really nice. So the backspace in all these keyboards are all a little bit higher pitched or resonant, in my opinion. That mod spam was intense. It sounds good. So nice. HHS, thank you so much for using your Prime on me, dude. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Try ABS. I think ABS will be a bit, well, obviously it's going to be a bit sharper than this. I like it, I like it. The keycaps are cute. The plate is a cutout for screw-ins. Yes. The way it works is you can technically use screw-ins in this, if you guys are wondering. It's cut out in certain places for that. The gummy O-ring compressed a lot on the backspace. Yeah, so you can see, we can try to move this around a little bit. See how there's compression happening here? If we push this down just ever so slightly, we can move some of that compression down, but it still compresses on the actual switch itself. Yeah, this keyboard's in stock, by the way, chat. And it's still the higher pitched one, so it doesn't really matter. This kind of looks like a render right now, I'm not gonna lie. This low key kind of looks like, I know my my bit rate's kind of low right now because of lagginess, but a low key looks like a render. Do it flex and bounce? It has a bit of flex to it. Or bounce rather, not so much flex. All right, guys, have a good one. Love you guys. I'll talk to you guys very soon. I'm gonna go chill for the rest of the night because I have a long day of work tomorrow. And I'm also gonna maybe see if I can fix this space bar. I think it's just a little bit warped in the weird way. So.
Dude, that's a lot of gifted subs.